Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring 5 of the most luxurious and extraordinary motorhomes in the world, from futuristic designs and mansion-style interiors to extreme off-road machines and even built-in car garages. Stay with us till the end and tell us which one you choose. Marchi Mobile eleMMent Palazzo, a motorhome so extraordinary, it looks less like an RV and more like a private jet designed for the road. Aeroplane fire. The Palazzo features an unmistakably futuristic design, with an enormous panoramic windshield, dramatic aerodynamic bodywork, and a massive luxury presence that instantly separates it from ordinary motorhomes. Step inside, and the experience becomes even more impressive. The interior feels more like a high-end penthouse, with premium seating, elegant wood finishes, sophisticated lighting, a luxury kitchen and spacious living areas built for long-distance comfort. Up front, the driver's cockpit combines a commanding driving position, modern digital displays and a futuristic dashboard, creating an environment that feels closer to an aircraft than a conventional coach. But the biggest attraction is its overall experience. The Marchi Mobile eleMMent Palazzo doesn't simply take you somewhere, it makes the journey itself feel like the destination. Minibus sparkles. Would you actually travel in a motorhome this futuristic? Tell us in the comments. Prevost H3-45 VIP Conversion. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a massive luxury mansion on wheels, built for people who expect first-class comfort wherever the road takes them. Black Heart Blue Heart. The H3-45 is famous for its imposing size, premium coach construction and enormous panoramic windows, but VIP conversions take the experience to another level. Inside, you can find spacious luxury living areas, premium leather seating, elegant wood finishes, sophisticated lighting and a fully equipped kitchen designed for extended travel. Up front, the commanding cockpit gives the driver excellent visibility, a premium dashboard and modern controls, while the massive interior creates an atmosphere that feels more like a private residence than a bus. What makes the Prevost H3-45 VIP Conversion truly special is the combination of road-going capability and mansion-level comfort. From the outside it looks powerful and executive, inside, it feels like a private luxury suite traveling with you. Would you choose this over a luxury house? Tell us in the comments. Volkner Mobil Performance S, a motorhome where extreme luxury meets serious engineering, with one feature that makes it truly unforgettable, a garage built underneath the living area. From the outside, the Performance S looks massive, elegant and incredibly refined, with a sleek premium body, panoramic windows and a commanding road presence. But step inside, and it feels less like an RV and more like a luxury apartment. The interior offers premium sofas, rich wood finishes, sophisticated lighting, a fully equipped kitchen and spacious living areas designed for long journeys without sacrificing comfort. Up front, the luxurious cockpit combines a commanding driving position with a premium dashboard and modern controls, giving the driver an impressive view of the road. But the real showstopper is underneath. The Volkner Mobil Performance S can feature its signature performance garage, allowing a high-performance car to travel with you inside the motorhome. That means your luxury home and your dream car can literally go wherever you go. Would you take this ultimate luxury motorhome on your next road trip? Tell us in the comments. EarthRoamer HD, this is where extreme off-road capability meets the comfort of a luxury home, creating a motorhome built for people who refuse to choose between adventure and comfort. The EarthRoamer HD is designed for serious exploration, with a rugged high-clearance body, massive all-terrain wheels and a tough expedition-focused construction that gives it an unmistakable presence wherever it goes. But step inside, and the personality completely changes. The cabin feels like a premium mountain lodge, featuring comfortable luxury seating, beautiful wood finishes, sophisticated lighting, a high-end kitchen and a spacious living environment designed for extended adventures. Up front, the cockpit combines a commanding driving position with a premium dashboard, modern displays and excellent visibility, giving the driver confidence when the road disappears. What makes the EarthRoamer HD special is this perfect balance, rugged enough to chase remote destinations, yet luxurious enough to make those destinations feel like home. Would you take this luxury expedition motorhome deep into the wilderness? Tell us in the comments. Dembell Luxury Motorhome, a spectacular luxury motorhome that brings the feeling of an Italian superyacht directly to the road. From the outside, the Dembell commands attention with its massive proportions, elegant sculpted bodywork, panoramic windows, and premium finish. But the real surprise begins when you step inside. The interior is designed around pure luxury, featuring sophisticated sofas, rich wood finishes, elegant marble-style surfaces, a high-end kitchen and a spacious living environment that feels more like a private penthouse than a motorhome. Up front, the premium cockpit combines a commanding driving position with a sophisticated dashboard, modern digital displays and refined controls, creating a first-class experience even behind the wheel. And the Dembell has another incredible trick: its design can incorporate a dedicated garage, giving you the freedom to carry a car along with your luxury residence. The Dembell Luxury Motorhome isn't simply built for travel, it transforms the entire journey into a luxury experience. Would you choose the Dembell as your ultimate home on wheels? Tell us in the comments.